Hey folks, welcome to Cabin and Cottage. Step into Ralph Lauren's winter Alpine elegance blended with cozy country warmth. A dreamy chalet home glowing in sunlight. From foyers to gardens, every space hugs you with oak floors, ivory walls, and timber beams. Get ready for a virtual tour that'll spark your cozy vibes. Step into this foyer and feel the instant hug of Alpine charm. Sunlight dances across polished oak floors, warming the soft ivory walls with their cozy wood wainscoting. That grand console gleams with brass touches and a plaid runner, like a stylish friend's welcome. Vaulted ceilings with dark beams add drama, while the carved mirror bounces light everywhere. It's pure Ralph Lauren magic, elegant yet so inviting, perfect for kicking off snowy adventures. Plush wool bench waits. For your boots, every detail whispers winter coziness. You'll never want to leave this entry glow. Sun pours into the living room, turning plaid velvet sofas into dream nests. Oak floors shine underfoot, ivory walls glow softly with wood panels hugging them tight. Dark timber beams crown the space, framing those massive iron windows with mountain vistas. Brass coffee table holds leather books, ready for lazy flips. Stone fireplace promises crackling tales. Layered rugs add that squishy comfort. It's luxury wrapped in country warmth, like sinking into grandma's best hug, but way fancier. Symmetry feels just right. Pure chalet bliss for quiet evenings. You'll love curling up here forever. Family room vibes hit cozy max with sunlight flooding the plush sectional. Tweed plaids mix with leather pillows on oak floors that feel like home. Ivory walls and wainscoting create a snug shell under vaulted beams. Media unit's brass hardware shines, firewood stacked for easy grabs. Wool rug invites bare feet. Armchairs by windows beg for story time. It's that perfect spot for movie marathons or kid chaos, relaxed, real, and oh so warm. Alpine retreat without the chill. Brass. Accents sparkle playfully. Every corner says, "Stay a while." Heart-melting country comfort at its best. Dining area sparkles as sunlight hits the mahogany table just right. Polished oak floors reflect crystal glasses and brass candelabras. Ivory plaster walls with wood wainscoting frame high-back chairs in velvet leather. Vaulted beams overhead add grandeur, chandelier diffusing soft glows. Plaid runners and fine china set a festive scene. It's elegant table magic for holiday feasts or intimate chats. Country warmth meets Alpine poise, like Lauren's own dinner party. Symmetry pulls you in. Every detail delights the senses. You'll savor meals here endlessly, pure sophistication with soul. Kitchen Island steals the show under bright sunlight streaming in. Oak floors ground the honed granite top, brass faucet gleaming invitingly. Ivory walls with wainscoting, cozy up espresso cabinets, and plaid backsplash. Vaulted timber beams watch over the farmhouse sink and copper pots. Double ovens promise hearty bakes. Leather stools wait for coffee chats. It's functional elegance. Whip up meals with chalet flair. Warm country heart in every drawer. Sunlit vibes make cooking fun. Brass hardware pops perfectly. You'll feel like a pro chef here daily. Total dream space. Butler's pantry nook glows with sunlight on quartz counters. Oak floors lead to open shelves brimming with plaid mugs and syrups. Ivory walls and wainscoting hug the brass espresso machine snugly. Vaulted beams add height to this prep haven. Small sink sparkles, baskets hold cozy extras. It's your morning ritual spot. Grind beans, pour perfection. Alpine country charm in a tiny package. Warmth flows from every detail. Sunbeams make it magical. Brass touches shine bright. Quick. Coffee runs feel luxurious. You'll linger here every dawn. Pure delight. Master bedroom wraps you in serenity as sunlight filters through forest views. Oak floors lead to the king canopy bed, plaid velvet draping softly. Leather headboard tufts just right against ivory walls and wainscoting. Dark beams vault high, brass lamps glow warmly. Wool blankets layer for ultimate snuggle. Bench at foot holds extra throws. It's a luxe retreat, cozy like a country quilt, elegant like Alpine peaks. Wake to pure peace. Every texture invites rest. Sunlit haven calls your name. You'll sleep like royalty here. Dreamy escape perfected. Walk-in closet bursts with organization under sunny windows. Oak floors showcase mahogany islands with brass pulls. Ivory walls and wainscoting line shelves of folded plaids and leathers. Vaulted beams give airy feel to hanging rods and shoe niches. Velvet ottoman sits pretty for quick changes. Its storage turned stylish, Alpine order meets country plush. Sunlight highlights every sweater stack. Brass gleams invitingly. No clutter, all calm. You'll love dressing here daily. Warm luxury in every corner. Total wardrobe win. Effortless elegance awaits. Vanity area shines with sunlight on marble tops and brass basins. Oak floors frame the iron-framed mirrors perfectly. Ivory walls with wainscoting create a refined nook under vaulted beams. Crystal bottles sparkle, plush stools, plaid cushion adds whimsy. Beveled details catch every ray. It's grooming glamour, cozy chalet style for morning glow-ups. Warm tones soothe the soul. Brass fixtures feel heirloom special. Sunbeams dance on surfaces. You'll pamper yourself here. Blissfully, elegant ritual spot, pure refinement. Kids' bedroom twinkles with sunlight on twin beds and plaid quilts. Oak floors welcome play under ivory walls and wainscoting. Vaulted beams shelter leather headboards and toy chests. Brass desk lamps light woodland rugs. Animal motifs add fun whimsy. It's adventure-ready, elegant shell with country charm. Bunk-time stories flow easy. Sunlit joy everywhere. Every detail sparks imagination. Cozy haven for little explorers. You'll smile at the magic. Perfect balance of posh and playful, dreamy kid zone. Guest bedroom welcomes with neutral linens on the queen's sleigh bed. Sunlight warms oak floors and ivory walls with wainscoting. Vaulted beams frame plaid throws and leather chairs. Brass lamp glows softly. Fresh towels stack neatly. It's hospitable bliss, cozy Alpine hug for visitors. Country warmth without fuss. Sunbeams invite relaxation, every comfort thought of. You'll feel right at home instantly. Elegant simplicity shines. Staycation perfection. Total guest delight. Home office library inspires under sunny windows flooding oak floors. Ivory walls burst with bookshelves against wainscoting. Vaulted timber beams crown the mahogany desk and leather chair. Brass lamp lights plaid runners, globe cart tempts pores. Leather volumes whisper wisdom. It's productive poetry, country erudition with chalet edge. Sunlit focus flows free. Brass accents motivate. Deep work feels luxurious. You'll conquer tasks here happily. Elegant brain fuel. Creative. Sanctuary supreme. Backyard terrace flows seamlessly from the house under sunny pergola. Oak floors extend to stone, ivory plaster walls matching inside. Dark beams shelter plaid cushion sofas and leather ottomans. Brass fire pit waits for gatherings. Evergreen planters frame iron doors. It's al fresco elegance, winter Alpine extended outdoors. Cozy chats with views. Sun warms every seat. Country warmth shines through. Pure relaxation zone. You'll host memories here. Outdoor chalet dream. Backyard garden enchants with sunlight on stone paths and evergreens. Houses, ivory plaster and timber beams peek warmly. Oak terrace edges lush beds, snow-dusted pines sway gently. Plaid pillow bench invites pauses. Brass lantern posts add glow. It's serene haven, cozy country wrapped in Alpine grace. Wander freely, breathe deep. Sunlit peace everywhere. Every bloom feels curated. Winter wonder without cold. You'll escape daily. Garden paradise perfected. There you have it, our Alpine chalet masterpiece with plush plaids, brass glows, and sunlit serenity everywhere. Which room's your fave? Drop a like if you're inspired, subscribe for more cabin dreams, and comment your dream feature below. See you next time, Cozy Crew.